Alright, check it out. It's going to be quick and furious because I can't post long videos to YouTube. But simple piece of paper, you take it to the corner over here. Boom. Up. Just like that. Open it up. Do it to the other side now. And once you got that, alright. Now you open it up and you'll see you made a little X right there. Now you just fold in the sides and then fold it down. Fold it down. You'll see that you have kind of like an airplane, but now you'll have these little winglets. Take the end, fold it to the top. Same on this side. Now you see you got a nice diamond all around. We'll take this corner right here and fold it to the middle like that. Same on this side. Just like that. Now it kind of looks like an ice cream cone, if you could see it. Up here on the top, you see that you have little slots. We'll just bend that over, pinch it, and then take the corner of that ice cream cone and slide it in the slot. Wow. Alright, there's one side. Two. Fold it in there, pinch it down, and there you go. Now you could just bend the wings like that one time, and then bend it back towards you a second time. And then you can see you have a little wing tip like that. Do it on this side. 1, 2, and now you can see a little Star Trek. That's how you grab it and throw it.